Service layer. The patches. In Hybris version 6.5, the Patches extension pack was introduced. With patches, you can effectively manage data in a project lifecycle. It consists of Patches extension, that is core logic. Patches backoffice, extension needed for proper patches view in the back office. And Patches demo, extension with the implementation examples. To work with patches, you need to generate new yEmpty extension first. Add dependency on patches and your extension. Extend the abstract patches system setup in the setup class. Create the abstract class, extending the abstract patch to make your patches simple. And create the needed class and impex files for your patch. Here is my Training Patches System Setup class. It has essential data, project data, and init options methods. Here is the abstract training patch with the abstract apply patch method. Concrete patch, for example, 1_0, is having its own impex imports in the apply patch method. Each patch is declared as a spring bean and is listed in the patches list. In the global patch configs, you can decide if patches can be rerun and which folders should they use. Per patch, you can configure if it's hidden and selected. To make patch as rerunnable, it should also implement the rerunnable interface. For serious environments like prod, it's better not to rerun patches. For patch impex files, you can configure the legacy mode and the single thread mode if desired. Also, you can add the impex header options with custom macros right from the Java code. In the back office, you can browse through patch executions. Each execution will contain unit for each impex file. There you can see the details about your patch execution. Let's wrap it up. Patches is ready to use set of Hybris extensions. With them, you can organize release-related data import. Patches are having back-office support, so you will be able to keep an eye on release imports there. That's it for the patches.